Hello there, my name is Ger Power. I'm a student at Southeast Technological University of Waterford. My student number is 20106-903, and today I will be discussing my final assignment for game development. I study computer science in Waterford, and here I will be showing my project. For the general public, the project is named Tilevania. It will not be available for public use due to some copyright issues with the assets and all that, so don't expect it to come out. For this project, we're supposed to add on to the labs that we did in game development by adding on features to our game that were not shown to us in lectures or labs. For my project, I've decided to add background music as well as particle effects and lighting. For particle effects and lighting, I viewed this YouTube channel named Rehope Games. They helped me ease through it and they basically showed me everything to do. So I recommend going to their channel to view all the tips on game development with Unity. For the background music, I would recommend by a friend who is in the same course as me to use Bosca Ceoil. It is a music making app and that's about it. I recommend installing that too. For the music, I used menu music, level 1 music, level 2 music, and a finishing sound that plays once you complete the game. To help put in the menu music, I just used Bosca Ceoil, made a few songs, exported it, imported it into Unity, then simply put an audio source in the level and made it play on awake and had it loop so it can play forever. And for the exit music, I literally just put on play on awake and turned off loop. That's pretty much all I did. For particle effects, I put in particle effects for player death, the enemy, the waterfalls, and the level exit. For the player, I put in a function into the code where on death you explode into a bunch of blood. That's about as far as I went. For the enemy, I made a stink cloud to just give him more character, and I also put little dirt particle effects at his feet to imitate him moving along and shooting out dirt as he hopped and jogged. For the waterfall, I just added a little bit more water particles that will move in front of the player when they're in the waterfall, just to imitate more movement and more water. For the level exit, I put in some purple particles behind the door to give it a more mysterious magical effect. For lighting, I added global lighting to almost all of the layers, including background, foreground, hazards and climbing. For player, enemy, coins and the door, I added spot lighting as to make them glow out of the entire background and to make them stand out. For the enemy, I made it grow a green light, just give it more character and just make it look different and to show that is not like a friendly being. I just made it green to give it more character and a sense of colour, because if I made it red to make it show an enemy, the stink clouds would be green as well and it would just kind of contrast, and I didn't think that would look well. For the door, I made it glow a purple glow to help with the magical effects I wanted to show for the door. For the coins and the player, I just gave them a normal white light just to illuminate them on the way. I made the lighting dark as to imitate you venturing into a cave. I also added on to that by making the music more bleak and depressing and kind of sad and gloomy. Particle effects is already a feature that was in Unity, so it was all just about clicking and adding effects, and then just editing is how you would like it. And I'd also recommend watching another Rehope Games video which goes in detail about particle effects. With how much they helped me in this project, I will be linking their videos in the description. And with that, my name is Ger Power. This is my assignment 3 for game development in applied computing, and I will see you.
Hope this interaction doesn't lead to any kind of fallout between us. Fallout New Vegas.